So this is how you can use two Apple ID accounts on an iPhone. Now, if you have different saved backups for two different iClouds and you want to, juggle between the two, or maybe it's just for some other different reason, you can, but there is a catch. So first, you're going to want to go to your settings. As you can see, I'm already in mine. This is the settings of our whole phone. So this is the current iCloud that we are logged in. You're going to want to tap on that, and here we are. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi turned on because as you can see, I don't have my Wi-Fi and it's not really loading. So in order to do this, you have to have your Wi-Fi on. Now, the next thing to do is tap on sign out because technically you can't actually have two Apple ID accounts working in the same phone. So what we're gonna do instead is just sign out of this one and then sign back in with the new one. You can, keep on switching between the two if you want to, but I'm just going to teach you how to replace your iCloud, which is, essentially pretty much the same thing. You're still using both, but you'd have to make a few extra steps. But don't worry, they're pretty easy. Sign out and then sign back in with a new one, and you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, just go to your iCloud over here, tap on sign out, and then sign back in with a new one, and then you will be able to switch to your second account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.